Hi, David Johnson, Pickleball Central here. We're going to talk a little bit and do a demo on the top of the line Wilson Tour BLX. Probably the most expensive paddle we have in stock at this point in time. It has some unique characteristics. They have a basalt fiber in it, and we just wanted to saw one in half and be able to take a look at exactly what's in one of the top of the line paddles. So here goes. So there you are. It has a traditional honeycomb, probably a Nomex type material, about an 1/8 inch cell. So that's a small cell, gives it lots of support, and you have the very thin basalt fiber interweaved into the face of the paddle. So if you had any questions about the Tour BLX, there you go.